Hey everybody, it's Donna. Happy Sunday. I have another video for you today. I'm going to be doing my Skinny Mini, and this is going to be part of the 2020 Planner Collab group that I am a part of on my Instagram. You can find me there at Donna Smith Wilson, and I'm also on Facebook at the same name, Donna Smith Wilson. And this is the theme this week, but is candy cane. So what I'm doing is I went ahead and took white paper and covered up the spread that I have, and I am going to incorporate some, I glued that down, and then I have date dots that I went ahead and glued down. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. I am using, let's see, the date dots are from Barney and Moon. You can find them on Etsy. And I'm also using some washi tape that I got on clearance at Joann's. And let's see, I'm using Planner Books from Happy Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays. Best Year Ever, Christmas Joy, and Colorful Boxes. I was originally going to use some of this scrapbook paper that I got at Joann's on clearance, but the red and the white is two different colors, so I thought that would be it would clash. So what we're going to do is I want to go ahead and put down this all the way across. As you can see here, I want to try to get these as close together as possible. And I went ahead and made this little banner that I want to run all the way across here. I think that's going to make it super cute. Alrighty. And then I looked everywhere, high and low, for a December sticker, and I don't even know if this is going to look right, but you know, you got to do with what you have, and this is what I have, and I just have to, you know, use it. I hate that it's black, but you know, I can't help that. And then I'm going to leave this together because I'm going to go ahead and incorporate my candy canes. I thought these were so cute. I found these online. And I thought what I would do is put one here and one there. And let's see, where's my glue? Here we go. Gonna go ahead and do that. And what I do is I take a piece of wax paper, flip my thing over, take my glue stick that I got from the Dollar Tree. I looked everywhere for candy cane stuff, and I don't have a lot of the new like sticker books, so I didn't have anything. So I just found this free clip art online, and I just printed it out. Now I want to try to make this to where my 19 is still showing and I'm in the center. Because you guys know, if you know anything about my channel, I'm trying to teach you guys how to do stuff, you know, on a budget. If you don't have the money to go out and buy, you know, sticker books, then this is the way to go. Alrighty, I think I got that down pretty good. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this other one. And what I like to do is fold that paper over, because then you don't get the glue that you had on there on the front, the good side of this one. Wax paper is really super good to have around when you're planning, because it's good for your stickers, good to use on your stickers, and it's just good to take the sticky off, and it's good when you're using glue sticks. I must not have got very much on that one. So what I do is I just pull it back. And turn it back over. There we go. If you have some little places that you missed, you just go in, try to pick up your edges, just lay that right back down, just like so. All right, let's straighten that up. Okay, now I'm going to take some of these little pieces of peppermint candy, and I want to sort of nest those over here to pick up this. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold my wax paper over again. Okay, and I'm going to try to do all these at once. We'll see how that works, so that I'm not actually going to take my edge of this and I'm going to hold it and I'm just going to nestle these in. There's one. And we'll take this one and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to use our glue stick to get that coated. And we're going to layer this. And if it goes off the page a little bit, that's okay too. And then we've got this last one here. I'm going to hold that down with my knife, or my X-Acto knife, scalpel, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Then we're going to edge off. There we go. Get that out of our way. Put this back down. Now I'm going to take my cutting mat and we're going to go, I might have to cut this with my scissors because it's, there we go, sort of thick. So then we're just going to take our knife and cut that, trim any edges that are not quite even. I think we got it. And we're going to take this away. I don't know how y'all are thinking about this right now. Now we're going to, I feel like I'd like to put like something like right there, but I don't know if it's going to look right. So what I want to do is I want to take some of this shiny washi and I want to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one as a guide, and I want to put down some strips of, where's my, that gives me a way to line it up to where I know where my lines would have been. Okay, we're going to do the same thing all the way across. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll fast forward through this part. Okay guys, now we're back and I think it's looking pretty cute. I know what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and trim this edge up just a little bit. Otherwise, I think it looks okay, and I'm going to cut the top of this off. All right. I think that's looking pretty cute. So I've got, what do you guys think? Do you think it's good, or I can put like a candy cane here? I think that would be too much. I think the way it is right now, I think it's really like pretty and bright and festive, but also minimalistic. And I feel like maybe if I add too much other stuff, then it's going to start looking really like crazy. So anyway, these were printed, it was like free clip art online. And so, yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it, and I would like to know what you guys think. So leave me a comment down below. This is part of the 2020 Planner Collab group from Instagram, and I think it turned out super good. I used the sticker books that I mentioned earlier. I used this washi. And I also used, I wish I could get those to stand up, so that'd be a really super cute picture, but you know, hey, that ain't gonna happen. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I am up to 81 subscribers. I know that that is a small amount of people, but to me, it's huge because I started at 1 like everybody else. And my Christmas wish is to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So I hope that you would consider helping me out with that and subscribe, like, and share. Again, I'm Donna Smith Wilson, the Blissful Planner. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is called Candy Cane Lane, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.